Welcome to Scale Models. I'm just your host, and I do models. It is time for an unboxing. Quite a large box. If seal is broken, check contents before accepting. The seal is not broken. This is a soldering station that I plan to be using to fix some electronics. I intend to resell for a little bit of side income. I've talked about it previously on the channel. I am moving forward in that direction. This is a Tronic soldering station. Let's see. This is so we have a white box here. And then we have some foam, and then a large section here. I thought this was going to be more in the box, but make a lot of noise, guys. Sorry. Let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, this is the main part here. Alright, once this is stop, I can't go any further. Do not operate this unit before you read this. Every time. Okay, whatever. I'll read all that before I fire it up. So we got some tweezers. So, got some solder wick. We have, this is a chip puller. Little chip IC puller. What do we got here? These are hot air nozzles. 4 different hot air nozzles. We'll look at that. Some brackets of some sort. Oh, this doesn't look like it's going to be a test. It looks like it needs lots of assembly. Okay, so so here is the main unit. Here we go, main unit here. It is a Tronic 5000 series. It has hot air, a preheating plate that these little knobs screw into over here. From sliding around. It looks like it has a ledge on it for keeping the board from falling down. Alright. So, get that all in. Let's see what we got here. We have, this looks like it's going to be the mount for the hot air gun on top here. If you're going to go with that route. So, and then we have, we got a bag of soldering iron tips. Let's see what kind of tips we got here. I'm going to move this out of the way and zoom in a little bit so you guys can see here what this stuff looks better like. So we got these tips here. We got some nice pointed tips. This one's got like a flat, like a little bevel on it. Bevel tip, pointed tip. So we got a chisel, smaller chisel, and our chisel. This is a knife point. They don't look like the highest quality. Like they're, we'll see how they work. I mainly got this for the hot air and the bed preheater, preheating boards. This is the mount for this. For mounting on the back of the unit here. Must have a whole bracket system that goes on the back. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have the actual soldering iron that has a tip on it already. Looks like it has just a point tip. And let's check the connection here. Nice solid fit. It's got a little screw, little nut that screws on there to hold it on to keep it from unplugging. So that's our hot air tips. Let's just take a look on this. Here's the hot air gun here. Very long on the cord, but you know, it'll reach to where I plan on putting this. And then we have a square, small one, and then 3 different size round. And then this must be all the mounting brackets. This looks like the solder holder. And this is the soldering iron holder. There's a little screw in there. Not sure where that screw goes. So, oh, that probably holds that in there. So the soldering iron, wow, that really locks in there. I like that. Let me see here. I gotta zoom back out. I'm sorry, guys. The soldering iron really locks into this holder. So unplug it here. I mean, it really, I mean, I don't know if that's got a magnet in it, but it seats in there nice. Nice shielding on it, so that's nice. Let's take a look at what is in this white box here. So this is the Magnification light tube. That makes sense. So just a little light with a magnification in it. You know, it's a compact fluorescent. So got a nice heavy base to it. I don't know if I will be using that, but you know, well, this definitely is all going to need to be sorted out and put together. So I am going to get this in its location and get it set up, and then we will do a test of it. I'll be back. Okay, I am back, and I am about to turn this on. Let's flip the switch here. It comes on. You can see the screen there. Everything is blinking. Let us check the hot air station. Now it says that every time this unit is used, ensure the hot air gun is in the side on, as if hot air gun is not placed properly, when the unit will not work properly. So I don't know, maybe it's got some kind of thing. Let's try the hot air. So, oh wow, it doesn't come on until you take it off the holder. That's cool. And then you can adjust the airflow there. And it says to use it at, and then it's not much coming out, and it's going to turn back off. It's going to cool back down, and it shuts off. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's check the iron. It's set to 300. I'm going to actually take it to 350. let's see here. So it's at 270, 281, 290. And let me get my other solder holder out here that has that. And we're going to tin this tip and see what happens when we tin this tip here. First, I'm going to give you some solder here. So let's just grab a ream of a strip of solder. And let's just tin this up and see how this works. Well, that seems to melt very nicely. Cleans with ease. So that's the tip. It seems it's a more aggressive tip than I'll be using. It says it is ESD safe. Goes into the holder. Seems to really form itself into that holder. I don't know if that has, I don't think that has any kind of sensor or whatnot. So let's turn the iron off and let's check this hot plate. So it's at 50, set for 50C. So how hot can the hot plate go? You said the hot plate can go to 400. It's at 50. I can feel the heat already. So I don't have anything to heat up right now, but I'm going to be working on this PCB that is right here in a video. I'm going to be resoldering on a USB-C connector. So I'll be using the hot air for that. May preheat the board. It depends on what's under it. I haven't really decided how I was going to do that yet. Try out the new iron, all that good stuff. And you'll be seeing this in some videos because I'll be fixing some stuff. I'll be doing some videos on me fixing some stuff. This was my old station. This was the extent of my old station. This right here, that was it. So I like the fact that I have a hot air station, and hot air especially because I'm going to be needing to reflow some IC chips and stuff. I actually have a projects in the works on that. And then the holder, it actually appears to hold the bits, all but one of the bits wouldn't fit. It was too fat. I don't know if this is, yeah, that's still blistering hot. So I didn't see how easy it was to change the tips. So that'll be in a video when I go to use it. Like I said, these are adjustable, so you can, set it up. So you can, line up your board, and then the hot air gun goes in here like this, and you can adjust the height of it. But it's crazy how that it senses when you pick it up. So I am going to have to find a way to get this on my bench, and a way that is efficient for me to work, because it's going to have to go where I have my camera, one of my cameras set up. So I'm going to have to move that to a different location and put that over there. So I will get all that set up, and then we'll be using this in a future video to do all kinds of nifty stuff. So nifty. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Links on social media, links to my Patreon page. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.